Welcome to our tutorial on effectively using subsystems within your projects. Subsystems play a crucial role, especially when individual devices fail to meet architectural constraints affecting the SIL rating of a safety function. Today, we'll explore this in this demonstration. Let's begin by opening SIL Master and selecting Safety Functions and then add a new safety function. This will open the new safety function page. For this demonstration, our focus will be on the final element. First, we enter a name for the safety function and then we give it a short description. Normally, this description explains the functionality of the safety function according to the SLAT's definition: sense, logic, actuate, timing, and SIL. In this case, we disregards the PFD calculation method, but emphasizing the need to set architectural constraints according to the IEC 61508 standard. Our ultimate goal is to achieve a SIL2 safety function. This means that this final element must also achieve SIL2. We will add 3 devices to this final element. First, a solenoid valve, which is compliant with SIL2. Then an actuator, which is SIL3 compliant. And finally, a ball valve, which only meets the requirements for SIL1. It becomes evident that, due to the ball valve's limitations, the final element can never surpass SIL1. Let us go and check the calculation results according to the tool. To see the results, go to SIL Master, then select Results. On the results page, we can see that our target was SIL2. After calculating the results, the tool states that the assembly does not comply with SIL2 based on the architectural constraints. And this is due to the ball valve. As a Type A device with a 0% safe failure fraction, it can only achieve SIL1 under IEC 61508 rules. To address this, we'll create a subsystem at the account level, enabling team-wide access. Let's go and create this subsystem in our tool. After adding a name, description, and optionally an image, we include the same 3 devices within the subsystem. When we add the valve, we can see why the SFF of the valve is 0%, resulting in a SIL1 rating for the valve. The subsystem's combined failure rates result in a safe undetected failure rate of 250 fit and a DU failure rate of 160 fit, pushing the safe failure fraction of the combined subsystem above 0%. Let's save and see by how much. In our list, the new subsystem appears. Clicking on it reveals the details entered, including a default image in the absence of a custom upload. It showcases the device composition and, crucially, the subsystem's compliance results. With a safe failure fraction of 60.98%, the new subsystem now meets SIL2 requirements according to IEC 61508, demonstrating its compliance. The rules of the standards are integrated into the tool and checked automatically. Returning to the safety function, we incorporate this subsystem by adding a new block and removing the standalone devices. Let us recalculate the results with this new subsystem. After we click Calculate, we close the safety function and visit the results page. This new subsystem achieves SIL2 compliance, which, when combined with SIL2 sensors and logic solvers, achieves a SIL2 compliant safety function. Subsystems offer a strategic solution when individual devices fall short of desired SIL levels. By leveraging this feature, you can create subsystems, assess their compliance, and integrate them into your projects with confidence, backed by built-in standard rules within the SIL Master module. This not only facilitates compliance demonstration, but also enhances project safety and integrity. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Your ability to add and manage subsystems effectively is crucial for leveraging the full capabilities of the SIL Master module.